In today's video, I will show you how to reset your TikTok feed. So first of all, you need to open your profile clicking on this button, profile, on the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on your settings and go to settings and privacy. Once you did that, you need to search for content preferences. Click this button. After that, you can click on this option, refresh your For You feed. And now you can click on continue. Please remember that this action cannot be undone, okay? So once you click refresh, it cannot be undone. Now you can just select the reason that you are refreshing your For You feed. I will put right here repetitive content and can click on submit. And if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe.